Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about modern mirror wardrobe designs and ideas, best mirrored wardrobe designs with pictures, the concept of wardrobe with mirrors is not a recent idea and has been used for over decades in the past. This kind of mirror for wardrobe is not your simple day-to-day wardrobes, except these mirror on wardrobe not only come with a place to store your clothing and other accessories, but the wardrobes also incorporate a mirror, mostly in the middle or at one side of the structure, where the user can use it as a self mirror or keep it just as a shadow piece as well. Also, mirrored wardrobe designs are very efficient in saving space in your bedroom. That's why it is very popular and it is very trendy nowadays. Beautiful wardrobe designs with mirror designs perfect for your bedroom. A mirrored wardrobe is favored by most people because it is so practical, be it a conventional hinged or a contemporary sliding wardrobe with a mirror. It is functional and space saving. Another advantage of having a mirror is that it will make your room look more spacious, which is a boon for compact urban homes. Take a look at some of LivSpace's favorite wardrobes with mirror designs. All the designs are here. You can collect the ideas as opposed to the first option. Wardrobe design with mirror has a lacquered finish in the center in a color that complements the room decor. It adds to the charm of the bedroom. Very great wardrobe designs and ideas with mirror design. This is also very popular, very trendy designs, and everyone like these mirror wardrobe designs and ideas. So we hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, so please share this video, comment this video, smash the like button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.